here's how you set up your chalk bag. Out of the box, you'll see the chalk bag and this attachment piece, which comes attached to the chalk bag. All you have to find is the notch in there where the attachment comes out, and you can pull the two pieces apart. You see you've got your receiver and your chalk bag. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to undo those Velcro straps and then get your harness. And once you have your harness, you want to go to the middle of the waistband and position your receiver as you want it. And on the inside of the waistband, go ahead and thread the Velcro pieces through to fit tightly around the waistband of the harness.